Isuzu Philippines turned over 60 units of its Class 3 PUVs to Metro Comet Transport Service Cooperative as UV Express. Recently, the initial 15 out of the 60 units have been inaugurated for operations. This move is in line with the government's PUV Modernization Program.
Today we are officially turning over 15 units of Isuzu PUV Class 3 to Metro Comet Transport Cooperative, which will be operating from Cupao to Rodriguez Rizal. Isuzu takes pride in providing them their first fleet of modern Isuzu PUVs.
According to Isuzu, these Class 3 units can accommodate more passengers compared to Class 2 vehicles.
Class 3 is a very special vehicle because unlike the Class 2, Class 3 is actually a front-facing arrangement. The vehicle that we have right now, where we are right now, can accommodate 23 passengers, all sitting, and it will eventually be replacing the UV Express that have been traveling around the Philippines. So as compared to the existing UV Express, the Class 3 PUV has more generous seating arrangement.
The units were assembled with Isuzu's QKR77 platform, which is specifically designed for PUV use.
The modern PUVs are assembled using the Isuzu QKR77 platform, which has been modified specially for PUV use, which body developed by one of the country's leading bodybuilders, Almazola Motors. These PUVs are environment friendly as it complies with the Euro 4 standards, safe as it complies with safety standards, and is equipped with speed limiter, auto fare correction system, CCTV, GPS, and dashboard camera, and comfortable and convenient due to generous seat space, headroom, and legroom with door entry on the right side.